So hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay and I'm back today with another headband wig from NIAWIGS. If you are not familiar with NIAWIGS, they sell some bomb quality wigs, okay? Super bomb, absolutely love them. Then they reached out to me and asked me to review another wig from them. So this is the wig that I will be reviewing today. I'm going to show you guys how each headband looks because they did send me 4, and I will be telling you guys details about the wig and all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. So as I stated in the intro, this is another headband wig from NIAWIGS. Now make sure you guys check the description box below for all the details concerning this wig. This is my second collab working with NIAWIGS, and this video is way overdue. So I do apologize for the lateness. A lot has been going on as far as the whole winter storm that we had here in Texas a while back, and I have some personal things going on in my family and just been unmotivated, but I'm finally able to show you guys this wig. So again, this is another headband wig. So I'm gonna show you guys how to style it, show you guys the headbands, of course, and let you guys know what I think about this wig. So I will link the first video that I did for NIAWIGS down in the description box as well as in the card. So if you are not familiar, this is how their packaging looks. Purple and gold, very cute. I love NIAWIGS. They have some bomb wigs. The hair quality is bomb, everything. So this is how the box looks, and of course you just take this out and then you pull this up, and I'm gonna show you guys the goodies that they sent me. Okay, so of course in the box they will send you a little booklet that lets you know about return and refund, how to wash NIAWIGS, and FAQs about NIAWIGS. And then this is for me. Then they sent me 4 headbands. So I picked these out, and I picked out the wig as well. These are really cute because I don't have any headbands like this. So all of the headbands are like tie-dye, very cute. So I will be showing you guys how the headbands look with different color shirts, so you guys can get the feel of. And then of course in this bag is the wig. Once again, it has the logo, then it has NIAWIGS.com, and on the back, which it has it on their box as well, it says, "We live only to discover beauty, all else is a form of waiting." So I really do like that they put their wig in a bag like this. And the wig that they sent me is 18 inches. I do not remember the name of this wig, but y'all just make sure you check the description box because I will have all the details about this wig. But this is how the wig looks. It's curly, wavy, very cute. It is human hair, by the way. So if you guys are familiar with the headband wig, it has this black part right here where the headband goes on top. Then this wig has 4 combs in it total. So it has 2 combs on the side or the front side, 1 comb in the front center, then you have a big long comb in the back. Then this wig also has an adjustable strap. So very cute. I like this color. I don't have a wig like this. And if you are familiar with me, I kind of like the whole ash blonde color, so this is really cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the adjustable strap to the closest part of the comb. So I put it right here and go ahead and put this on. I did go ahead and lay my baby hairs down so they are ready. So this is how the wig looks on my head right now. I did use all the combs. Pull this back a little bit. Right, the color is really nice. The bounce is really nice. The length is nice as well. So this is how it looks in the front. This is how it looks on the side. This is how it looks in the back. And this is how it looks on the other side. So really cute. I am really glad that I picked this color out. This is super cute. All right, so real quick, I'm gonna give you guys some more details about this wig, and then I'm going to show you guys the headbands and all that stuff. So this is their wig Jade. This is ash brown headband wig, human hair. I got 18 inches. It retails for $243.99. This is in the natural wave. I wanted a more wavy wig because I really don't have it. What else? This is Remy hair, the hair material. The density is 150%. Cap construction, no lace wig cap, of course, because it is a headband wig. The hair texture is wavy once again. Color is ash brown. The cap color is black. Elastic band and clips it does have, and the cap size is average. So it is fitting pretty good. Like I stated, I used all 4 combs, and it is fitting pretty good. And the adjustable strap I used all the way to the, you know, closest to the back of the comb. So yeah, this is, ooh, I'm really loving this. I'm loving this color. So I want to thank NIAWIGS for reaching out to me and asking me to review another wig for them. I really do appreciate it, and I hope to continue to work with them again in the future. But that is pretty much it for this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this wig as far as the hair color, texture, all of that good stuff. And of course, don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. If you are a new subscriber, welcome. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as post notification bell so you're not missing a new upload from yours truly. I am going to go ahead and I am going to show you guys a little lookbook with the headbands, and of course style this wig in a couple of styles for you. So that will be at the end of this video. But I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one.